Hi everyone! Today I would like to share with you my inspirational video with my winter plein air pastel sketch in a winter lake. It was a really nice and beautiful colors of the sunset with subtle colors. I took my set of pastel crayons with me and a block of paper. The main subject of this sketch will be this beautiful sky and nothing else. This beige purple clouds and this interesting blue color, a little bit turquoise. That's why I would like to inspire you to go on a plein air, because if you can see on this video, the color of this sky doesn't look like turquoise, but when I was there it was really a little bit greenish. The color of the sky and the sea was with a small hue of green, which is difficult to capture with a photo camera or video camera. You can observe it when you are painting it on the place. I have a special crayon set for the traveling, only a limited palette which I made by myself, which I have chosen by myself. Only several main colors which I really need. Without them I cannot paint. They are not heavy and I can take them every time with me, just in case, if I get inspired. So I'm really happy with my sketch. I captured what I wanted. I really like this composition of colors, this turquoise blue and this light burnt sienna. It is not finished, but I am going to finish it at home. Maybe this sketch is not very detailed, but if I am going to make a large painting from it, maybe with oils, it will help me to remember what I saw in this evening. In my next video I will finish this sketch at home, and I'm very glad that I captured this moment, this interesting color of the clouds, this greenish water. I remembered it, and it will be easy for me to continue this sketch at home. Maybe I will make a large painting from it. Maybe I will change it a little bit, but it certainly is a nice experience to remember, to capture this moment.